keep that low-life boyfriend away from our house. If you want to live in the gutter, at least don't bring it home with you.
What are you talking about? Lenny is really good to me.
Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took a shit on your face.
Jackie, I'm just... Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a pre-stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh, yeah?
What do you think of Jill May?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. If I let that stop me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? Oh, shit!
A relationship. Wouldn't really work with my life right now.
Sure it could. Look at me.
You want...
Put on his mask. Can't let Dog Eyes boys know it was us. There should only be a few guards.
Keep the engine running.
What?
Come and get me!
俾乜你死橙！喂，我打撚爆你個頭啦！隻臭啊！踢爆佢啊！乜欠打你仆街！唔掂啊！邊得啊佢？ 捉住你啊！
Yeah, get him! Get him! That's right!
我喺度，咁就射我啊！嚇死我啊！哇！屌啊！喂，屌鳩啊！打極都唔死嘅，呢條撚樣好嘢啊！
There's more of them!
喂，你去解決佢，繼續射啊！即刻同我懟冧佢哋！即刻返仆街啦！啱，收佢皮啊！繼續射！
How you like that?
可以放我啦而家。
Yeah!
你條撚樣，有種你就咪撚閃！你老母，你唔係打我啊！
You were hardcore. You beat those guys like it was nothing. Watches should be in the warehouse, man. Shit, they're taking off with the goods. Go, 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 man. Whoa! Whoa! We did it, man! We did it! Hang on, I'll go get the watches.
Let's go, Jackie! Hurry up!
Wait! We got him! Damn, that was crazy, man! We did it! Holy shit! We did it! Check it out! It's rated Cambria!
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What? What do you mean cheap?
Jackie, these are fake as fuck.
Holy shit, Tylo, the cops drive! Wait, drive!
think that's it.
Yeah, they're gone. We're clear, man. No wonder there's so many criminals in this town. Those cops suck.
What do you think will happen with Dog Eyes?
I don't know. He's an asshole, fucking guy. But he has friends in high places.
He's a piece of shit. Don't be afraid of him.
Man, way you...
So where's this guy we're meeting?
Don't worry. I'll take it from here.
You sure you don't want me to stick around?
Oh, man, I got it under control. Sonora.
All right, your deal.
Hey, wait! You did good out there. Here, take this watch. You earned it.
Great, finally hit the big time. What's up?
Hey, you're Song Yi, right? I was racing earlier, and I would have won. But this guy, Tommy Han Lan, he cheated. Ran me off the road at the last minute. Can you teach him a lesson? Keep him from doing it again?
Yeah, sure.
He's not far. Wreck his car. That'll teach him.
What the hell? What are you doing?